In this short video, we're going to use one of the tools in backpocketgrower.org. So enter backpocketgrower.org in your web browser, and you can go in the first time that you use this and sign in with the password for our course. You only need to do that the one time. We're going to look at one of the tools. So click on the tools. Then we're going to look at how much fertilizer or chemical product do I need to get a certain concentration. So this is a dilution calculator. In this example, let's use metric units. And let's say that we have a solid fertilizer and we want to make a solution with 300 parts per million of nitrogen. For example, if our fertilizer is 20-10-20, the first number 20 is the percent nitrogen, so we'd put in 20%. So we want 300 parts per million of nitrogen, and this fertilizer is a solid fertilizer with 20% nitrogen. Now let's say that we're going to prepare a concentrate tank, which is 50 liters in volume. And we're using a fertilizer diluter, an injector, with a ratio of 1:100. If we click on calculate, it tells us that we will need 7,500 grams or 7.5 kilograms of product in the 50 liters of the stock tank, which is going to be diluted at 1:100 to give us our 300 parts per million.